Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on me down here. When just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, just click here on system here, accesses management. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on location accesses here. Then you come here to camera here, just click in this side. Then like you see this color here show for us now. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you agree. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.